Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix apps not downloading from your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to downloading or installing any app from the App Store and you are unable to download and install the app, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any times. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and then you have to make sure that there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's an connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN, and then you have to just simply tap on software update. And from here guys, you have to make sure that there's not update on your device. If there's an update available, then you have to just simply update your iPhone and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to make sure that there is enough storage on your iPhone. If your iPhone is full of storage, then you have to just simply delete the useless data, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open up the language or region, and then you have to just simply select your region and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem guys, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, after force restarting your device, check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still having this problem, then the last solution is you have to just simply open up the settings and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So if it's still not resolved, then you have to just simply contact to the Apple support team, and they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.